Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Today I am doing my unboxings of my subscription boxes. So the first one is going to be my Boxycharm, since I've been doing that one longer. And this is what this month's card looks like. It says, make waves. And I think this might be the first variation of this month's box, since I have a 1 and a little heart down here. I'm actually pretty happy that I did not get the version with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, because I already have one. So yay! The first thing that I got in the box is the Glamglow Gentlebubble Cleanser, and it looks like this. And it says, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup, oat amino acids, condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS/SLES free, all skin types approved. The MSRP for this is $28, and you get 5 ounces or 150 ml in this tube. The look that I have on today, the makeup, is actually incorporating elements from each of my subscription boxes this month. So obviously can't really do the cleanser prior to, so what I'll do is I will, as part of my 2-step process in removing my makeup tonight, I will use this and I will let you know in like a subtitle below how this worked out for me. I usually in the evenings, first step is makeup wipe to remove most of the makeup, and then I go in afterwards with a cleanser. Usually in the evenings I use a Paula's Choice, whereas I use the Clarisonic in the morning, and I don't think I've been mentioning the Paula's Choice as part of the evening routine. So I'll list that in, you know, today's makeup thing down below as well, and like I said, I'll let you know how this goes. Then the next item in the box is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio, and I did get the correct version because I think there was a light and then there was either a medium or a dark, and I did get the correct. They sent me the light one, so thank you. But it's really cute packaging. It's just your standard, there we go, standard cardboard. And then these are what the blushes look like. So we've got Scorcher, Paraiso, and Castaway, and I am wearing Paraiso on my cheeks today because the other two looked really blingy, almost more like a highlighter. We'll see. We'll see how they look when they actually are applied, but that'll be for another day because I can't wear 3 blushes in one day. I'll look crazy enough with this lipstick as it is, which was also in this box. Anyway, so the Alamar Blush Trio says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly, easier said than done, over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And the MSRP for that trio is $22. The next item in the box was the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. And this is what this looks like. Looks kind of like a purpley, possibly duochrome. I did not find a way to incorporate this into my look today because I do have to go out in public after this, and it just doesn't go with the other colors. But the shade is called Cupid. I don't know why, but they only put the shade name on the box. They did not put it on the actual product. So my chances of actually being able to remember the name of the shade, slim to none. So Ciate London, if you ever look at this later on, watch the video, please put your shade name on the product. That's my 2 cents on that one. What the card says is your new Ciate London's Eye Lustre will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper, and the MSRP is $22. The next item in the box today is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this shade that I got is called Bittersweet. And this is what this looks like. And this is the shade that I am wearing today. It only took one swipe of the applicator to get all of my lips. I did have a problem with the applicator itself. It's kind of a fuzzy type of tip to it. Let me see if I can get this on camera. See if you can tell how kind of fuzzy furry that is. And I had a problem with it going up outside of the lines and had to go back in with another lipstick liner pencil that I have in about exactly the same shade to kind of clean it up. But now that it has dried down, it has dried down completely matte. It kind of cracks a little bit, which is unfortunate, but that happens with matte liquid lipsticks, so it's not really out of the ordinary. This color is not my usual jam, but it doesn't look too bad. And it's a little sticky, and I don't know, because I do have two other colors that I purchased for this exact same type of lipstick, just obviously different shades. And I can't remember if they stay sticky all day or if that kind of wears off, because there has been some transfer onto my straw for my coffee. Let's see, I'll get that to focus. So as you can see, the lipstick around that silicone thing so that I don't burn myself with the coffee. It does transfer a little bit, so be aware of that, but I'll let you know how it wears by the end of the day after I get done filming today. I'm also going to be, going out and seeing a couple of my grandchildren, so I'll let you know if kissing their sweet little chubby faces, if it transfers. So what it says is your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. The MSRP is $18, and I do have to say that yes, it is comfortable, but a little sticky, but not too bad. But we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. If it's just like the other two that I have, I do believe that it will last all day. And then last for the Boxycharm for May 2019 is the Bodyography Eyeliner Pencil. And that's what this looks like. And the shade is Midnight Blue. I did not use this today because I'm not a huge fan of eyeliners in general, and I couldn't really put it on the top. I used the eyeshadow like usual for my lower lash line, but that was from the Glam Bake Plus from Ipsy. So and I don't think this would be something that I'd want to put in my waterline. What it says for the Bodyography Eyeliner Pencil says this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define Oh, that's supposed to be for your lips? The pencil itself says an eye pencil. It says at the top, eyeliner pencil. Why does the card say it fills in your lips? What? Maybe it can be used either way. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, Boxycharm. But the MSRP for this one is $14. I can guarantee you I will not wear blue lipstick. Maybe for Halloween, but not anytime else. Alrighty then. So that's it. That is it for the Boxycharm for May 2019. And let me just really quickly add everything up. And of course, as usual, I'll put the prices in the description box below. The total value of this month's box is $104. That's a nice, quick, easy one. And I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. If you like the video, obviously please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. I do these now every month. I hope that it is informative. This month's box for me, kind of meh, but you're not gonna have a hit every single month, every single time. And usually I really enjoy my Boxycharm. But I am excited to try the Glamglow. I've been wanting to try their products for a while, but they tend to be pretty expensive. I am starting to learn though, with using the Drunk Elephant skincare, that sometimes it's worth it. If it works, it's worth it. So, hope you all are having a fantastic day today, and I will see you all again soon in my next video.